If you're a snail lover, then you definitely need to watch this recipe. I made this pepper snail or snail pepper, however you want to call it, and literally every single bite of it was that good. So I started off by taking the snails from the shell, and if you want a faster result or easy method, you use hot water and see how easily it comes out. It just pull off. If you don't use this method, then I'm sorry, you're going to just cut the snail into pieces in the shell. Yes, so I made this, and after that I used lime because of the sliminess, to take off the sliminess from it. I used that. After squeezing the lime onto it, I used the lime itself to kind of like wash it off so that it could thoroughly be clean and the sliminess can take off. After this, I'm going to add some spices to it, and with this, but before that, I'm going to wash it thoroughly with some water. I'm going to wash until the water I'm using to wash is quite clear. So like we're talking about three times wash. After which, I'm going to spice it and marinate it down with some ginger and garlic spice and some salt and some complete spice and then seasoning cube. Okay, this is optional. Use the spice of your choice, but make sure to use the ginger and garlic spice and also the salt, which is very important. Now I'm going to start off my pepper. Okay, so with that, I added some oil, and then I added some bay leaf and some onions to it. Okay, I went ahead to add my blended pepper and onions. Okay, so I didn't blend it so smooth, it was quite rough, and I added the oil and allow it to simmer for some time. I added some um curry to it and leaving it to simmer. So I went ahead to check my other oil that was also on fire, and whilst it was hot, I added my marinated snail to it. Whilst allowing that to fry on its own, I went back to check on my pepper and look at how beautiful it's looking. So I stirred it up, and then I added some salt to it so that I could feel the taste of it at this moment. Please, if you don't like pepper, I promise you, this recipe, you need to kind of like limit the pepper amount in this, because this is very hot and very nice and very spicy. Yes, so I came back to check my pepper again, went back to check my snail, turn it to the other side, and then look at pepper. It's actually good, like it's ready. So I'm going to just turn off the heat from it and when go ahead to check my snail. Yeah, so I went to check my snail, and this time it's well fried, crispy. Look, it's not really crispy, but it kind of like dried up, and this is exactly how I want it. I'm just going to straight up going to just pour it into the pepper and mix all of this together. Now, if you, because it's kind of dry because of the frying, if you want it a little softer, you can allow some heat. So I turned on the heat and then I covered it up, and this was what it came out to meat, and this was so good. Like, I mean, literally every bite of it was that good, and gosh, the pepper was that hot. Yeah, it was that hot. So if you're not a pepper lover, then it's not for you. So I tried this with some rice, and it went so well. Literally can try it with yam, chips, like anything at all, and it's that good. So I'm gonna try this recipe. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and bye.